Για ακόμη πιο ακραία καιρικά φαινόμενα, αλλά και για χειμώνες με θερμοκρασίες έως και 12 βαθμούς υψηλότερες, προειδοποιεί επί πολλά χρόνια πρόεδρος της Βρετανικής Μετεωρολογικής Εταιρείας και διακεκριμένος κλιματολόγος Σερ Μπράιαν Χόσκινς. Μιλώντας αποκλειστικά στον Sky και την Κορίνα Γεωργίου, τονίζει πως ολόκληρα νησιά στην τροπική ζώνη κινδυνεύουν να εξαφανιστούν από την άνοδο της στάθμης της θάλασσας.
Mr. Hoskins, the past 8 years were the 8th warmest on record for planet, and scientists foresee an even warmer 2023. According to the Copernicus Climate Change Service, Europe recorded its warmest summer last year and its second warmest year overall. So what kind of future is ahead of us?
The future ahead of us depends on what we do. It's going to get warmer. We're going to see more extremes in the weather, but just how extreme and how warm depends on what we do. It's in our hands. It's going to get a little bit worse than it is at the moment, but it could get a lot worse, and it could get extremely bad depending on what we do. If we go to the future of not tackling this problem, then in winter, Northern Europe could be 12 degrees warmer by the end of the century.
You have stated that you have been surprised and alarmed at the record temperatures and floods we have seen in many places around the world, with only 1.2 degrees warming globally. So what will happen if our planet exceeds 2 degrees Celsius, which is where we're heading now, if we don't take actions?
Well, warmer air can hold more water, and it usually does. So if it's 6 degrees warmer, the same rainstorm can be 50% stronger. So we're going to, these floods and droughts, we're going to see more of those. There's going to be large parts of the world, Bangladesh, other places in the tropics, where life is going to become almost impossible. If you're on an island in the Indian Ocean and the sea level is only, you're half a meter above sea level, you've got a problem, because that sea level is going to rise. And with any storms, you are going to be inundated.
Records show that the concentration of carbon in the atmosphere has not been this high in around 2 million years, according to Copernicus. What measures must be taken, and what is the threshold that shouldn't be surpassed for a livable future and a livable planet?
First, we've got to be more economical with the fuel that we use. So any bit of energy, we have to say now, can we use less energy? If we take it seriously and we reduce our emissions rapidly as we possibly can, and down to near zero by the middle of the century, we can cope.